See here, the next topic in geography, in this chapter transport, communication and foreign trade, there is a new topic, means of communication. Means of communication, it is very common word in our life. Communication system means the process of transmitting information from one person to another person or one place to another place through different means. So information means exchange of communication means exchange of information or transmitting of information one place to another place. या आप कह सकते हैं कि जो कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम है ये सिर्फ ये सूचनाओं का आदान प्रदान है. ये हो सकता है वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन या एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस में इंफॉर्मेशन का एक्सचेंज. अब ये एक्सचेंज किसी भी मीन्स से हो सकता है. इट में भी द मीन्स माध्यम किसी भी माध्यम से, न्यूज़पेपर के माध्यम से, टीवी के माध्यम से, रेडियो के माध्यम से, इंटरनेट के माध्यम से, मोबाइल के माध्यम से, आजकल सोशल मीडिया. सो दीज आर द मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, जैसे पहले के ज़माने में कबूतर, घोड़े या जो कैमल्स होते थे इनके माध्यम से सूचनाओं का आदान प्रदान होता था. या जो एक मैसेंजर होता था और वो नगर के बीचों बीच जाके नगाड़ा बजा के लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन देता था. तो इट वाज द मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इन इंडिया फ्रॉम एंशिएंट टाइम टू मॉडर्न एरा. Okay, so in Indian economy there is a lot of importance of communication. इसका importance बहुत है. It is the, you can say that it is fourth pillar of development in the country. See the importance. Information and communication system create national awareness. Information and communication system it create national awareness. जो हम पहले दे चुके हैं, जो अपना फ्रीडम मूवमेंट था, नेशनल मूवमेंट, उसमें हमने देखा था कि न्यूज़पेपर के माध्यम से, रेडियो के माध्यम से कैसी लोगों में जागरूकता होती थी. तो इसका इम्पोर्टेंस आज से नहीं, एंशिएंट टाइम से है. फर्स्ट नंबर नेशनल अवेयरनेस के रूप में. सेकंड, इट आल्सो इनकरेज इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एंड सोशल कल्चरल एंड आल्सो क्रिएट सोशल कल्चरल यूनिटी. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट के माध्यम से कैसे, जैसे जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसकी जो कीमतें हैं पर डे अपडेट, जैसे आपका देखिए मुंबई एक्सचेंज, सेंसेक्स, इस तरह से चीज़ें जो हैं ये किसका देन है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन का. इसके अलावा सोशल कल्चरल यूनिटी, लोग सोशली एक दूसरे से अटैचमेंट होते हैं. कल्चरल, उनका पार्टिसिपेशन, उनका परफॉर्मेंस, उनका जो भी कल्चरल एक्टिविटी है वो दुनिया को दिखाते भी हैं और इससे उनकी अपनी यूनिटी, उनका अपना दायरा बढ़ता है. देन इट मेक वर्ल्ड क्लोजर एट नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल. कम्युनिकेशन के माध्यम से जो दुनिया है वो छोटी हो सकती है या हो रही है या होती जा रही है नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. कैसे? पीपल कैन नो इवेंट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड थ्रू प्रिंट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया. जो भी दुनिया की खबरें हैं, जो भी घटनाएं घटती हैं दुनिया में, वो आज हम घर बैठे बैठे उसको देख लेते हैं, जान लेते हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन की वजह से. ओके, इतना ही नहीं, वी कैन कम्युनिकेट विथ आवर रिलेटिव्स, आवर फ्रेंड्स इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. हम घर बैठे बैठे आज कहीं से भी किसी से भी बात कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में हो. हम उससे अटैच हो सकते हैं, उससे जुड़ सकते हैं, उससे बात कर सकते हैं, उसको देख सकते हैं, उसको सुन सकते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. इट असिस्ट ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम. कैसे? आज भी जब को कहीं जाना होता है कार से, तो लोग जो आपका गूगल मैप है उसमें उसको ऑन करके जान सकते हैं कि वो कितना दूर है और डायरेक्शन क्या है, कितने किलोमीटर्स अभी दूर है, अभी कितना दूर जाना है. ये सब चीज़ें तो एक तरह से क्या है, ये कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, सैटेलाइट सिस्टम जो कि ट्रांसपोर्ट को असिस्ट करता है. इतना ही नहीं, आपका रेलवे में, आपका एरोप्लेन, आपका ट्रक्स, बसेस, हर जगह ये सिस्टम लगा हुआ है, काम कर रहा है, और वहाँ से उसको क्या करता है, असिस्ट, उसको हेल्प करता है एज अ ट्रांसपोर्ट. Okay, so it is for the transport, means it in the sense of assistance. Last number, it also provide information regarding war and another natural calamities. जब भी कोई कहीं मिस हैपनिंग होती है ह्यूमन में या नेचुरल लेवल पे, तो उसकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, सारी अपडेट्स हमारे पास पहुंच जाती हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. जब भी कहीं कोई भूकंप, कोई बाढ़, कोई सूखा या कोई भी मिस हैपनिंग होती है ह्यूमन या नेचर के द्वारा, सो वी कैन अपडेट आवर सेल्फ. उसमें जो भी हम कर सकते हैं, हम उसमें हेल्प कर सकते हैं विद हेल्प ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. सो इट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. इट इज़ गिवन इन द बुक. सी हियर द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. सो टुडे वी विल सी द माध्यम, मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. कम्युनिकेशन के माध्यम क्या क्या हैं. सो कम्युनिकेशन सर्विस फॉर द पीपल स्टार्टेड इन इंडिया ईयर 1837. अपने इंडिया में जो कम्युनिकेशन सर्विस है खासकर पब्लिक के लिए कब शुरू हुई, 1837. नाउ सी द मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. फर्स्ट नंबर, पोस्ट ऑफिस. सो इन इंडिया देर आर 1,56,000 post office. It may be more than, because it is old data here, and there are 6,000, more than 6,000 people, they are employed in the post office. Now here there are something, the system of post office system. See here, capital channel. Capital channel means it is a channel of postal service, and the letter box that is in yellow color, and it is kept in every capital of state, every means capital of India and every capital of state. So it is kept in yellow color. So if you see a yellow color anywhere, it means it is capital channel postal service, means that is a part of postal, means capital channel postal service. Then metro channel. Metro means it is in metro cities, Bombay, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. So if you see blue color letter box, means that is a part of metro channel postal service. Then green color it is for in big cities. So if you see green color letter box, that is in the part of green channel, means which provide the service in big cities. Now there are also business channel in the purpose of business, bulk and dark channel, periodic channel, speed post, e-post, e-bill post. E-bill post means in the sense of online payment. Online payment, it is the part of e-bill post. Now there is a telegram service. You know, Thomas Alva Edison invented the telegram service, that is short messaging system. So it is telegram in the sense in this service we can send short messages to the people to inform them in a emergency case or any immediate service. Telecommunication means in the public sector there is one telecommunication service, BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. It also provide STD and ISD label service, means call. Yeah, you can say that mobile service. It is also mobile service, telecommunication. Then internet, the full form international network, and with the help of this network, information and data can be obtained through lack of computer information system in one language, one time. So we can obtain any information from this network service. So it is the means. Let us see the another means of communication. So let us see the next. Continue the means of communication. Here is a mobile phone. We know it is very common device in our daily life, a wireless set. Previously there was you can say that basic phone connected with wire. Now in this time there is a wireless set, handset, and in India it started after 2000, the mobile service. So it is very common device, you know. Now see the fax, it is a communication system sending and receiving written message. It is a means the purpose sending and receiving written message, and in this we need a fax machine from both side, from our side and from that side where we want to send, and there is a fax number of every machine. So after sending, after scanning the material and after putting the number, we can send the same scanned material in another device, that is called fax. Now see email, we know it is also very common communication in our life. Email, electronic mail, it is with the help of computer and internet. Email. Now radio, it is the very important means of communication. Radio invented by Marconi, scientist, and in India it started in 1927, but it was in private hand, and just after 3 years in 1930 the government has started the radio service at government level, that is Indian Broadcasting Service. So after 1930 there was starting of radio and other radio stations. So it is in India. Now TV channel, before this in this time 1965 radio and TV, they were in combined department here, and TV started in 1965 after that, and before this they were combined. Now in 1976 they separated, means TV separated from radio and established separate department, and 1982 there was the starting of color TV channels, and in this time there are many TV channels that is called DD, means Doordarshan, DD Sport, DD Sports, DD Gyan, DD India. There are many channels. Now cinema, we know the cinema, it is very common means of entertainment and communication, that is in every place. These are also two types, single screen cinema and multi screen cinema, that is called multiplex. In single screen cinema, one screen there is and multi screen means in one building it may be the releasing of many movies, that is multiplex. Now print media in the sense of newspaper and magazine, printed material, printed media, newspaper and magazine. So there are many radios, newspapers given here, 4,236, that is a newspaper publishing in our India, and out of them 1,877 they are Hindi newspapers, and other they are regional language newspapers. And the most important, that is satellite communication, that is direct connected with satellite, that is advanced technology. And satellite, we know the Aryabhat, INSAT, RS, that is the name of satellite. So it is the satellite communication that is very advanced and reliable and global communication. So it is the means of communication. We have seen it is given also in the book detail. You can see, you can read detail. I have given some ideas. So it is means of communication. So it is enough for today, and next we will see the foreign trade. So I hope you will read the book and understand it.
Transportation and communication. Communication is a means of conveying information through words and messages. Communication is divided into two types: personal communication, and mass communication. Personal communication includes sharing of information and ideas between two people. Various inventions of communication are mentioned in the following table. Mass communication includes all those media designed to reach a large audience. Mass communication is divided into two types: print media consisting of books, magazines, newspaper, and electronic media consisting of radio, television, and internet. Satellite has played a vital role in communication both in India and the world. In recent years, communication has revolutionized in India due to the Indian National Satellite, or INSAT. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on transportation and communication.